Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in real quick to talk about pain management. So on Monday, Erica and I went to IKEA to pick up a dresser that I've had my eye on for years, and I'm too stubborn to ask for help, so I hauled 3 boxes onto a cart, and when I stood up, I realized I tweaked my sciatica. It flamed again, and it was painful. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it was definitely a 10, and getting in and out of the car was an 11. So the first thing I did is I grabbed my little toolkit that I bring with me everywhere I go, and I grabbed my Deep Blue sample, and I applied it directly on the area. The second I felt it, I was like, oh, no, not today. I'm not gonna turn 45 and walk like an old lady. No. So then I grabbed, as soon as I got home, my Deep Blue rub and applied it all over the small of my back. Then later that night, after dinner, I upped to my vitamin supplements and then grabbed 2 of these Cobaiba soft gels, and I took them again that morning and Tuesday night, and then Deep Blue rub on the bottom of my foot, on my right foot. By Wednesday morning, on a scale of 1 to 10 again, it was a 1. I completely relieved the pain. It's still tender, so I have to be careful and not do anything rigorously. So if you know anyone that is dealing with sciatica pain, or you're dealing it with yourself, these are the tools: Deep Blue and Cobaiba. All right, that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.